How to set screensaver to display Google Photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Screensaver. After click on Screensaver, so if you want to set Screensaver to display Google Photos, click on Photos and click on the settings icon. After click on the settings icon, so you will select Photos fill screen and camera and all photos. After setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set screensaver to display Google Photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.